जल्दी से दिख रही I know it. No, yeah, I mean, I am here, you're not here. So when did you come today? Yesterday morning.
यार थोड़े थोड़े पीछे आओ ना, पूरा ग्रुप मिलेगा, थोड़े पीछे आओ, पीछे आओ, पीछे आओ जरा। आज अक्षय जी सर, राजी मार्क साहब इधर, मार्क जी के साथ
या ज्योतिका या नागमा जी या ज्योतिका अक्षय जी do you happy to promote? Yeah. Sir.
ज्योतिका, सबसे पहले तो मैं पूछना चाहूँगा, is it your first interview?
Yeah, it's my first press interview.
So welcome in front of the cameras,
Thank you.
in front of the channels, in front of the news. Jyotika, what was your experience facing the camera for the first time?
I think I was nervous before beginning, but I think Priyadarshan is such a good director. He understands the psychology of the artist so well that I just shot the first day and I didn't know how the day went. He's a very easy person to be with, and all through the film, from the first day to the last day, it was all the same. There was nothing like anything was making me feel, oh God, because this banner is so big. Nobody made me feel like it's something really big or something which is, I never felt like a newcomer. It was all like a family and everybody was too good with me.
और अभी कैसा लग रहा है? डर लग रहा है?
अभी थोड़ा डर है कि रिलीज है, उसी का डर है और कुछ डर नहीं है. That's all.
What is डोली सजा के रखना? किस तरह की फिल्म है? The title sounds very romantic, very hummable.
It's an Indian love story. It's a story of love, emotions, respect, sacrifice, and above all, it's a film which is based on reality. It's not कि एक commercial film बनानी है and publicly इसमें ये डालना है वो डालना है. It's not that. It's something like what happens day to day in every house, and that is the most beautiful thing about Doli Saja Ke Rakhna, that it happens in every house of India, and I think every family should watch the film once, at least once, because it's a film based on a moral. It has a very strong moral and it's a very beautiful Indian story. I think it's like a story which can make the Indians really proud. It has a moral, a very good moral behind it.
And how did it all start? How did you got the film?
I was just sitting home one day and I am actually from Mr. Anupam Kher's company, Celeb. I joined that company and I just got a call one day. They said this is the banner and this is the director and you must go and just give a screen test. So I flew to Madras and gave a screen test and that's how I got the film.
What was your immediate reaction?
That was my reaction because I was just lying down on the sofa, lazing, watching TV, and suddenly Priyadarshan and Xavier Marquis and Rajkumar Santoshi and Rahman and everything, and I just said, I just packed my bag and I just flew.
And what was your experience on and off?
Sorry?
Working for the film?
I told you it was very easy because my director made it very easy for me. From the very first day, even when I gave my screen test, it wasn't like what normal people would give. It was something very... He had, in the depth of his mind, he knew that, okay, I think I'm 80% sure I have to take this girl. And throughout the film, I had more faith in him than what I had in me. And there's a very good thing about him, that he understands the psychology of his artists very well. So it was excellent working with him. So I really didn't have a very difficult time in the film. It was all very smooth and good. So I think it was a very beautiful experience, and I hope that I go through the same way in future.
Could you enlighten us something with your role?
It's a role of a very simple girl. It's a no makeup role, no costume drama kind of a role. It's very simple. It's like any one of our sister, any one of our daughter, any one of us who's watching the film will feel, oh, this girl is like, she could be my sister, she could be my daughter, she could be my mother, she could be just anything. She's just an Indian woman, and this is what has happened to her, and this is what has happened in the film. So it is something, as I told you, it's based on total reality. It's a very simple girl, in short.
Can you introduce yourself as in the film?
I didn't get that.
Your name, with your name.
My name is Pallavi in the film, and I am playing an Indian girl who's very scared and who's a very subdued kind of a girl in a family, and how she falls in love, and it's an Indian love story. That's all I'll tell you.